Teens and exercise. The surprising benefits. Teen life can be hard. Suddenly, you're faced with all kinds of new problems. Rapidly changing moods, a spotty face, worries about weight, not to mention exams, and extra pressure at school. It is easy to escape all your problems with an evening in front of the TV. But the solution is to do just the opposite. In fact, research has shown that exercise has huge benefits for teens. The most obvious benefit of exercise is improving your physical health and your appearance. Doing regular exercise will burn fat and build muscle so that you can keep a healthy weight. Exercise can improve your skin too. You will also lower your risk of illnesses like diabetes and heart disease. Exercise is a great way to fight stress and relax. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins, which make you feel calm and happy. This helps you be positive and makes all your problems seem smaller. Finally, exercise can help with your schoolwork too. Another chemical the body releases during exercise is called epinephrine. This improves your concentration levels, which is perfect when you need to study. So how much exercise is enough to get these benefits? Well, the NHS, Britain's health service, advises teens to get around an hour of exercise each day. It's important to choose activities you enjoy, so you keep doing them and don't give up.